Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Bridget and I make videos on skincare, makeup and lifestyle. From the title, as you already know, that this is a mini Zara H&M haul. So if you live in India, I want to show you what all you can buy at the best rate possible during the sale period. This will be a try on haul, and this is my very first haul video. So do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It will literally mean the world to me. Without any further delay, let's just jump right into the Zara H&M haul. Now guys, the very first thing I'm gonna show you is this dress. I bought this dress from H&M during this sale period. The sale period is still on, and I kind of like this dress, the way it looks, the puffy sleeves. The moment I got this, I just grabbed the dress, put it in my cart and placed the order. It was that quick. As you can see, I'm not that slim, so I feel that this dress is making me look more broad because of the puffy sleeves. So going forward, I may not go for these kind of puffy sleeves at all, and if you are large or extra large size, then wearing these kind of puffy sleeves may be a little tricky because it kind of broadens your shoulders, and which you don't want. But if you really like the dress, if you really like the top, then of course, who cares, wear whatever you want to wear. As you can see, it has lemons and leaves and all of that, so I like lemon, I like leaves, so why not. Most of the things that I have are out of stock by now because they are really popular. Quickly moving on to the next article of clothing. This is a jumpsuit, and the best thing that I like about this jumpsuit is that it fits you like a dream, and the color black, of course, as we all know, makes us look slim. And it's very important for me to get the size and the drape and the fit perfectly. And the plus point about this is that it's not cotton, which of course will make us look more slimmer. Very light, airy fabric, and it fits well. And you have zip over here, you have some buttons over here, and you have some zip for better fitting like this. And it has pockets as well. You can wear these kind of jumpsuits during the daytime and at the night time as well. Both occasion will make you stand out. From my experience, H&M definitely has got some really good jumpsuits that will fit all the body types. Now guys, the next dress is this one. It's day appropriate. I won't wear this kind of dress during a night out, but this is cotton, and this was originally for 2299, and this also feels so comfortable to wear since this is cotton and it's very flowy, and it comes with a belt like this. It's not a stiff kind of fabric, it's very flowy, very light, very airy kind of fabric, and it has button all till down here. And it also has pockets. Does it? I mean, okay. No guys, this dress doesn't have pockets, but I really liked the print on it. You know, as you can see, let me come a little closer. As you can see, these are tiger prints on it, which I absolutely love. And yeah, I really like this dress, and I can't wait to pair it with my sneakers or with my heels. Now quickly moving on to Zara, I've got two trousers from Zara. This is the first one. This is plain black, and this is not cotton guys. This is again some sort of silky, lightweight, flowy kind of fabric, and this is how it looks like from the bottom. And the waist is elasticated, and this is in size 42. So in Zara, size 42 is large, just in case if you don't know. And it comes with back pockets like this. I usually don't like keeping anything on at my back. I mean, sometimes they would create just fake back pockets, but this time it's like for real. And Yeah, I really like the fit. I really like how it flows on the body, and this kind of trouser is, for your day-to-day casual kind of outings and for your grocery shopping, etc. This is their everyday fit. So it's kind of loose in terms of fitting, and it's not transparent. Pretty good fabric, but I was expecting it to be some sort of cottony kind of fabric, but it turned out to be this shiny satin kind of fabric, but that's fine. Moving on to our last item from Zara. This is the trouser that I bought from Zara. I totally love the fit, and from the bottom there was no alteration that was needed. It fit me well from the waist till the end, and the color itself is beautiful, doesn't have pockets. However, you have to be extra cautious when you wear these kind of thin satiny kind of material, because it may show your panty lines, which you of course don't want. So yeah, other than that, I really like the way it looks and feels very luxurious. As you can see, the fabric is extremely silky, and the best part is that it's great for traveling purposes. You don't have to iron it at all. It will not crease, and yeah, it has two pockets over here and over here, which I totally love. I'm so sorry, guys. I forgot to do the ending for this video. But you do subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button and comment as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now and take care.